All the 379 people were saved from the burning jet of a Japan Airlines airliner that escaped after a collision with a Coast Guard aircraft at Tokyo's Haneda Airport that killed 5 of 6 crew on the smaller aircraft on Tuesday. So it was a nice job done by the cabin crew and full cooperation by the passengers in not trying to take their checked in baggages, and they followed the full discipline and advice of the cabin crew, and out of the 8, 3 exit gates were used in this escape. So that is how the passengers could come out from the burning aircraft unhurt. So this is the professionalism you can see here. This is the front right gate, and these are the rearmost 2 exits. So 3 of the 8 exits have been used, and all the passengers came out safely. That is the purpose of escape slides put in the aircraft, so that in the case of a crash landing, whether fire has really come or it is about to come, because after a crash landing normally the fuel spills, the tanks etc. leaks, cracks, and there could be a big explosion anytime. And passengers use the escape slides and to escape the aircraft as early as possible and run out away from the aircraft, because there could be explosions anytime. So whether initially the fire is there or not, whether the initially fire is of the lesser intensity or at a limited location, but the possibility of a big fire suddenly and explosion always remains after a crash landing, and that is the objective of the escape slides, that you escape as early as possible in seconds and follow the full discipline. Do not try to take your belongings, because that can be made again, but not the humans. So in this case, I salute all the cabin crew. They are the safety professionals besides the protocol of taking care of the guests on flight. Thank you, cabin crew.